Oh. Finish him.
Dude, it is so chilly outside. I was not ready for that September transition over here in North Georgia. Apparently right at September, everything shifts and it gets so much cooler. So this morning, it is freaking 50 degrees outside. Today we've got a lot of stuff planned. We're gonna be going over to Fastlane Import Auto Repair yet again over in Woodstock. And today we're gonna be getting the ZL1's coilovers finally installed. I've got some front spacers I'm gonna get put on as well as a new alignment on the car. So it should be like a brand new, much better handling ZL1 whenever we get it back, which is saying a lot, being that it's a 1LE that already handles amazing. Last night I parked the car, as you see, way down the driveway. That way, whenever we start it this morning, it won't completely shake my entire neighbor's house. I feel so terrible. That car is so atrocious. I am so pumped. After we put these new Vossen wheels on, they look amazing. The only thing is, as you see on the fronts, you can't even see tires sticking out of the fender at all. And in the rear now, as you guys see, we've still got a good bit of poke, so I love how the rears look. And then these coilovers should allow us to get some really good camber. It should be night and day as far as handling goes. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get a cold start. It is so early and I feel so bad.
Morning, fam.
Good morning. I'm gonna go to my trailer and grab these coilovers and go drop this bitch off.
Right on.
Good morning. I was just backed up into a fucking van on camera. That would have been an awesome start to the fucking morning. Coilovers. This is the last time that I'm going to be able to turn in and out of Fastlane here without scraping, I have a feeling. Here it is, the last turn in. Moving forward with the car, I think we're going to be taking this thing to the mountains a lot more, so we're going to try and add a little bit more camber. And that way also, if we bring it back to amp or anything like that, it should be able to handle amazing out there after these coilovers. Which actually brings me to my next point. Huge thanks to KW Suspension for sending those coilovers over literally like 2 years ago. I'm just now getting around to putting them on, but they're going to look sick. Oh. All right, I've got my trailer keys here because we are missing one of these. But we've obviously been in the process of moving and everything, and the trailer, it was in the back and it was bouncing around. It's very possible that this little collar bounced out and fell somewhere in the trailer. But if I don't find it, we got a part number on here, which is nice, so I can always just call KW and get them to send another one of these over quickly, hopefully. But I'm gonna go look for it first.
2 days later.
The last part that we were waiting on for the ZL1 came in finally from KW, and we are here at Fastlane to go pick that thing up finally. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Check this out. Yes. So the front is definitely much, much lower. I didn't want him to lower it down too crazy much, mainly because of the fact that this car is already so low, it scrapes on a lot of different spots. So we dropped it down about a ½ inch, maybe a little bit over that in the front, and that looks just so freaking good. Guys, I'm gonna go in here to Fastlane real quick and pay these guys to get it all taken care of, and then tomorrow we are gonna be headed out to the mountains in the ZL1 to go to Tail of the Dragon, rip around a little bit, and play around with the new suspension setup and see what it's like. I have a feeling it's gonna do amazing. KW makes fantastic coilovers. So I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. With that being said, guys, if you need any specialty automotive work of any kind done for any vehicle, especially imports and things like that, Fastlane is your place to go. We're in Woodstock, Georgia right now, so a little bit outside of Atlanta, and they have been so great to me. They've been taking care of everything that we need, and normally it's a lot of work that I wouldn't trust anyone else in the world doing. These guys are so talented here. It's been amazing working with them. So I'm gonna go get this thing paid, and then we're gonna go check out and see what this car is like going down the road. Alrighty guys, let's go. Oh, this is about to be the first time driving the ZL1 on the new coilovers. I am so freaking pumped. The 1LE suspension from factory is already so amazing that this is probably the best handling car that I have. I just haven't gotten to do much with it track-wise. We've got a good alignment on this car now. Not only that, we have really, really sticky brand new tires on here. And KW makes such a freaking ridiculous product. I've already had these before on the GTR, and I just love them. Love, love, love them. They rode amazing, but not only that, in corners, it was just unmatched. So now we're gonna go take this thing out, feel how it feels on the street. We'll make a little bit of dampening adjustments to the coilovers. The height's gonna stay where it's at, and we'll go from there and see how it goes. nice. Oh yeah, that is nice. I'm like really beyond shocked. This is pretty impressive. See how braking is real quick. Oh my God, they okay, that's cool. Whenever we're braking, the car remains so much more stationary now rather than transferring every single bit of the weight up to the front. Oh my God, that's so nice. I'm not even gonna lie, man. KW has always got me just so impressed. In the past that we've worked with them, every single time that we've had their stuff on any vehicle, it's so, oh God, it smells so great. We're gonna make a little bit of a detour here, believe it or not, to a performance boat shop here in Woodstock. We're gonna go grab some fuel for a secret activity that we're gonna be doing next weekend. You guys will see. Whew. Obviously, I've got fuel in the back of both of these cars now, so I'm not gonna be driving crazy or anything. So the coilover review is probably gonna be on pause until tomorrow. So with that being said, guys, I will see you tomorrow when we are headed out to tail the Dragon and the ZL1 on its new coilover setup. So exciting. See you guys then. We have arrived. About to have the best lunch ever. What's going on?
It's just the 6th.
Yes, sir. How you doing?
Oh,
We're coming to eat lunch.
sure.
Yep.
I'll be down there, bro. Bust your tape.
All right, man, bro. I appreciate it.
How's the GT50, man?
Good, man. You want to take a picture or something or anything? Before we start eating and stuff? Oh, yeah, bro.
I'm nervous.
No, you're good. You're good, bro. We are off to go slay the Dragon in the ZL1. The inner chiller currently is set in competitive mode, which means that we've got all of our AC being diverted to cooling off the supercharger right now. We're gonna go make one pass going down, and we're gonna be gentle just to get the tires warm and feel out the suspension a little bit. And then on the way back, we'll get a little bit more sporty, a little bit more fun, shall we say. So this is gonna be the most capable, the fastest car period that I have taken on Tail of the Dragon so far. So I'm definitely gonna be careful, especially being that this is a stick shift. Scrape. That's gonna happen a lot. So right there, if you guys saw, even though we were hitting that bump, the car actually remained pretty stable. That's what I think has been the most impressive thing about the KW so far. Traction control is on, and it just flashed at me, letting me know that these tires are way too cold. So we're gonna let these get warm. Help them out a little bit. Summertime. This is the first time that we've been here at the end of summer. Actually, no, it's not. I lied. The very first time whenever I bought the 570, we came out here at the end of August. Whoa, shit, man. This car feels way faster in a straight line whenever you're on the edge of a mountain. Oh, dude, the suspension is so good. Oh my God, this thing feels great. I'm sure everybody back there is like, what the f? Goodness, this is by far the loudest car that I've had out here. Oh my goodness. Tires are definitely getting warmer. Oh yeah, this car is very, very, very capable out here. This is almost scary. Oh my God, I bet I could go faster out here in this car than I could in the 600. I think he just said, yo, that's his jumping thing. And then we just screamed by him. God, this car is so fucking crazy. The factory traction control is amazing on this thing, if you can hear it cutting. Oh my God, it's so good. It really is like Motec almost. Oh, fucking God, man.
What a dumbass.
Stay in your fucking lane if you are watching this. God, I'm not trying to kill a fucking biker today. Wow, this thing is just, we're pulling a G through these turns right here. I'm just glancing over at the, that was 0.9, 0.8. Oh, Miata. This car could haul so much ass out here if I really wanted to, but man, these bikers are sketching me out.
I know, that's what I'm about to say.
I don't want to, like this turn, I'm not gonna come into this bitch hot as because can't see around it. Okay, so up to now, I can't lie, I am so super impressed with these coilovers. The way that they handle bumps in turns without jarring the suspension enough to get the car to start skipping or oversteering is just amazing. It really remains so planted in turns despite the fact that there are bumps on this road, because again, this is a road car, this isn't a track car. The 1LE suspension is amazing for the track, but doing stuff like this, it was terrible because of the fact that it had so much freaking rebound. Every bump made you feel like you were gonna get thrown off of the road, whereas this car bites harder, it seems like. Was that the tires?
Yeah.
Bikes. He was hiding in the photo booth. Oh my God.
Not gonna lie, kind of threw up.
What?
Well, we just got done eating lunch.
You got motion sickness or something?
I didn't know you were recording. Yeah, just a little bit.
Oh my gosh, that's funny. I'm sorry. Oh my God. Getting them pretty warm for the street. Curious to see what they're at. We were having a lot of oversteer, so I bet these are at 35. Let me guess. 37.5, okay. That needs to go down to like a lot. Alrighty. Gentle as can be until we get past the previous cop that we saw. Pretty sure he's right around this corner up here to the right. So we're gonna be super quiet right here. This car is so f***ing unreal for a f***ing Camaro. Oh my God. I am truthfully fucking astounded. That is my only word. The way the traction control works so well. Oh my God, these coilovers were just, Oh, it was exactly what it needed. This car is so hard to get to want to crash, if that makes any sense. This car just loves this shit. It really, really, really loves this shit. You want to give it a shot? Yeah, this might be the best handling car that I've ever been in that has an engine in the front. Hey, still holding on.
That man's wilding.
Yeah, he's wilding for sure. Guys, I am parked on the side of Tail of the Dragon right now. This car so far has been nothing short of mind-blowing. Like I've been saying, this is a 1LE car, so the aero package just helps so much of the downforce. I've got these upgraded canards, which do not come on the normal ZL1s. I've actually added a full front lip, which I can definitely tell is helping a lot more from factory. And not only that, there is a massive, massive wing, which is providing just plenty of downforce to our super sticky rear tires back here. Very wide, extremely capable car. I'm just mind blown, man. That's the only words I know how to use. I think the thing that has me so shocked is that this is a Camaro, but it feels so light compared to any Camaro that I've ever had before. I've taken turns in my 5th gen SS whenever I've had it, and it just felt so sloppy. This car is just a world of difference. They did so amazing with this thing, and especially coming from a 600 LT, I'm surprised that I bet I could probably go faster in this car than I ever could in the 600 LT, as crazy as that sounds. Only reason is because it just is so much more predictable. The rear end loves to oversteer, but it really powers out of it. The alignment that is on here is amazing. Coilovers are just so phenomenal. 10 out of 10 experience. A Razor? What? What? Something tells me he probably can't have that here.
Like I'm Tyson, she's sucking me clean like a Dyson. I'm going back to my old ways. Fuck it, I think that they like it. Rolling up.
Local HOA finds out YouTuber is storing tens of gallons of race gas in his garage. Kicks him out of the neighborhood.
Up all of my problems and smoking them down in the backwood. Pray to the Heavenly Father, tell him that if I could change it, then I would.